Hello friends, in this video let us see exercise 8.3 third question. First subdivision. 9 secant square a minus 9 tan square a. They have given the options, we will solve and find out. From this equation we can take 9 as common. So we will get secant square a minus tan square a. By the identities, secant square a minus tan square is equal to 1. You can substitute it. So the value is 9. Option B, 9 is the answer. Let us do the second sum. Let's see what is the second question. Second question is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Let us solve the problem. They have also given options. Option A is 0, B is 1, C is 2 and D is minus 1. Let us solve and see the answer. Let us convert all the ratios to sine and cos. So 1 plus tan theta can be written as sine theta by cos theta. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Into 1 plus cos theta by sine theta minus 1 by sine theta. Now taking cos theta as the common denominator, cos theta plus sine theta plus 1. Here taking sine theta as the common denominator, sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. The numerator appears to be the formula a plus b into a minus b. The term a being cos theta plus sine theta and b being 1. So according to the equation a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Substituting it into our equation, we get cos theta plus sine theta the whole square minus 1 the whole square divided by sine theta into cos theta. Now solving the numerator. According to the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We get cos square theta plus sine square theta plus 2 cos theta sine theta minus 1 divided by sine theta cos theta. We know from the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 cos theta sine theta minus 1. 1 gets cancelled divided by sine theta cos theta. 2 by cos theta sine theta divided by sine theta cos theta. This also gets cancelled and we get 2 as the answer. Option C. Happy learning. Thank you.